Oh shit. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Ryden. I'm a maniac. And I do much thing. And I've been day drinking today. I went and sat by the pool for a couple hours. And now I'm just kind of alone and I'm bored and I have nothing better to do, so I thought, why not make a YouTube video? Why not, pander to the old internet? And so I figured, okay, so I've had 3 Naturdays, and if you don't know what Naturdays are, they're a natty light Naturday. They're only 4%, so, they're not heavy, but they're pretty good, and I've had 3 of them, and I've also had a twisted tea. So also I want to say it's probably like 6 p.m. so it's still pretty early to be drinking. I went by the pool and thought, I could just have 1 beer, and then I had several drinks, and now I'm here and I want to look nice. I want to look good, so here I am. I figured I wanted to do a video for you guys, and the video would be me trying to do my makeup while I'm day drunk. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't done a makeup video in... Some things have changed. I've tried some new products, but also I don't have all of my products since I'm staying with my partner right now, and I haven't moved all of my things over here yet because I'm technically still living at my old place, but it's whatever. It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. I can still do my makeup. I have everything that I need. We're gonna get there. I think I said in the last makeup video that I did that I was so weirded out by people who do their eyeshadow first, but here's the deal. I actually do my eyeshadow first now because fallout is a thing, and I don't want to have my under eye being whatever color that my eyeshadow is. I would like my under eye to be nice and, perfect. So I do my eyeshadow first now. Also, I'm going in on my 4th Naturday, so wish me luck on this evening. I'm going to do my Morphe Artistry palette here, the LGBT render with all of these amazing rainbow colors. Oh fuck. All of these amazing rainbow colors in this Morphe palette. It is probably my favorite palette I've ever bought. So we're gonna start here. Maybe we should go with some purplies. I feel like I don't do purple enough. So let's go with a purple look today. So I usually have a designated brush for just about every color that I do. So I'm gonna use this brush here, and I don't know what brand it is. I got it from an Ipsy bag recently, but it's just a nice little edge brush. And I think I'm going to start with the color Love Wins, and it's like a nice little purpley color here. So I spent all of last night writing down a lot of content ideas for Halloween. I think that people find a lot of fun in Halloween content, and honestly, I find myself most creative. I have a litany of different blending brushes, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I think it's just another Ipsy brush, honestly. It's a blendy brush. Let's go ahead. Just tap it with the same brush because I don't really give a shit. Just deposit that darker color in the creases so I can take that blendy brush and just move it around. We're gonna darken it up with a little bit of Truth, which is like an indigo kind of color here. Just gonna go into the corner here with that indigo color. Perfect. Blendy brush again. Now we have 1978, which is like a glittery, purpley, pinky color. I'm just gonna go in with my finger and put it on my lid and try to get it more purpley and try to get it shimmery. There we go. Oh yes. We'll come back to it later if I want to tweak anything, but for now it is time for primer, which I use MAC Prep and Prime, and ooh, it is the best primer in the whole wide world. I have an off-brand beauty blender, and I have Too Faced Born This Way in literally snow, like one of the fairest shades they have. And now that I've primed, I'm just gonna give it one good pump, and I'm just gonna go in and cover one side at a time. I've gotten quite a bit of sun this summer, so my makeup doesn't exactly match. But the fact is that I live in Ohio and it's cold more than half of the year, so my tan's gonna fade pretty quick. And then there I'll be. Either I could buy a tan makeup and buy another pale makeup a couple months from now, or I could just stick with my pale makeup, be just a tooch bit unmatching, and be okay for the rest of the year. And I know what I'd choose. Next, we're going in with Born This Way Natural Radiance Concealer, and this color is the fairest, again, that they have, so womp, 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 womp. That's it. It's as simple as that. As long as you know the parts of your face you want highlighted, that's all you gotta do. So I've got this Juicy Couture powder brush, and I have this sample, and it's of a MAC pressed powder. I don't know exactly what it is, but I just use that as kind of the powder for my face. And anytime I really need any spot lightened up or flattened out a little bit, if it's looking a little too oily, I just go in with this, and it kind of evens everything out. Oh, it's eyebrow time. Woo! Okay, I think I got everything. So we're gonna start with this kind of off-brand eyebrow gel, and I'm just gonna get my eyebrows completely saturated with this gel, just so they'll sit. And then I've got the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown, and I'm just gonna define my arch and tail. I have pretty thick brows already, but when I pluck them down to what I want, I usually don't see enough thickness to see the shape that I would like. So I've had people ask me why I fill my brows in when they're already thick, and that's the reason. Now, for those of you watching and wondering, your eyebrows do not have to match. They can be sisters and not twins. They can be cousins. It's okay. Like, as long, like, nobody's face is fully symmetrical. So the fact of the matter is that if your eyebrows are not entirely symmetrical, or your eyeliner is not entirely symmetrical, it's okay. I'm gonna do a little bit more filling with this Anastasia brow powder, again, medium brown. I'm gonna start with the darker side on the tail. And having this brush also, again, just helps my eyebrows stick in the place they're supposed to go with that gel. It all melds together and works really well. I'm gonna take the lighter color and do the other end, because the inside of your brow, closer to the middle, closer to your nose, should always be a little lighter than the tail of your brow. So facts, and then gel them one more time to get them in place and get rid of the excess. I think I might have used this in the last video, but this is my Tarte Holiday palette that I got for Christmas a couple years ago. And I'm going to start my blush out with this, I think it's another Ipsy thing that I got that's just a blush brush. And I'm gonna go with this like little medium brown here to start out. Just this little like phony contour that I do. I have such a tiny face that I really don't need a lot here to accent this line right here. With the same brush, I'm gonna go back with this magnetic palette I have, and since I'm going for a pink and purple, I think I will go with this rosy color right here and kind of just blend outwards from that area onto my cheek. Just to give a natural, but a little over the top rosy look. I wish I had my whole litany of highlighters to show you guys, but I only have two, and again, they're Ipsy things, so I really don't know where they came from. But this one has a bit more of a pink sheen than this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a little bit of that on this Tarte, like, kind of, I don't know, it's a brush, let me live, I'm drunk, whatever. I'm gonna put it on my cheekbone here. And again, same with the other side. There, now you can see it. Little bit on the nose and upper lip. Now, I have this pink highlighter right here. I think it was from a Kat Von D highlighter palette, but it wasn't a good highlighter palette. It's more good for eyeshadow, so fuck it. It's not good, but it works. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna further highlight this eyelid with purple just a little more. Like, the difference that makes. It's time for mascara, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Roller Lash, which I've heard some mixed reviews on, but it just depends on how you use it. I take it with this part in, and I kind of genuinely just roll it upward as I tilt my head down. Same with the other side. And I don't personally wear any eyelashes because I wear glasses. I can't see things that are far away. So I notice that lashes constantly slap against the lenses of my glasses, and it's annoying. So I just live with what I have. I think I have plenty here. While we let that dry, I think we'll go with a nice baby pink kind of lip. So we'll go with this NYX or NYX or whatever you want to call this brand, NYX. We'll go with this NYX Liquid Suede in, I think it's Tea and Cookies. I'm going to take a little bit of this before it dries, and it's just kind of one of those pH sensing lipsticks. I'm going to put it over there just to give it an extra oomph. Oh, and I know this is the part you all have been waiting for, but we're going to have another sip of Naturday first. It's eyeliner time, and this time it is an Ipsy eyeliner from another Ipsy bag, but you know, I know what this is this time. It's from Ico London, and it's Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner plus Wide Lash, which I don't know if that's what the brush is called or what, but it's kind of a liquidy felt brush eyeliner, and I love it. I love it so much. I'm making sure I save this when I'm done with it so I can buy from the actual seller and not switch eyeliners because this is a good eyeliner. So we're gonna start from the corner. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys, but I'm sorry if I mess up. I'm drunk. I'm gonna start from the corner and just kind of give myself the general shape of what I'm looking for. And bring it into the eye. Now I'm gonna try to make this side match, which is gonna be scary as shit. Last but not least, we are going to take our Urban Decay All Night. Last but not least, we are going to take our Urban Decay All Nighter Finishing Spray and just spray it all the hell over. Oof. And that about does it. I mean, that is essentially, you know, a day drunk face of makeup. And I did my damn best. And I want you all to know that I tried my best for you. And I tried my best for your entertainment. But I didn't try too hard for your entertainment. I did. I really tried so hard, you guys. I hope my makeup looks good. I hope this was entertaining, if nothing else. And I hope you guys, if you're new, you want to check my other videos out. And subscribe, maybe. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Maybe I'll create more drunk content for you guys. Who knows? Meanwhile, I'm gonna go play some video games and maybe go out to the bar later. So we'll see. I might also just toss myself in the pool and go to bed early. Bye!